Hello dear students. So this is the video where I am going to teach you all how to do line chart. In line chart it is very simple. The dimension and measures are used for query language, and in this particular worksheet we have explored the global superstore. So let's start with it. Now what will I do? I will click on market. This is the market. I will drag and put it into columns. Okay, then sales I'll put it into rows. Now this is automatically, it is going to recommend me this particular chart. Okay, but I want line chart, so I'm going to select on automatic and I'm going to say that okay, I want line chart. There it is, your line chart. Okay, so here this is a line chart. Now I want something on order date. It is still not clear to me, so I'm going to take it as date as your dimension. Okay, date from the dimension, and I'm going to, okay, this is one or more, like if you see here, if you go to show me, it is going to show me this. Okay, for line it is continuous, that can be one date field. If you see this, one date field, zero or more dimensions, one or more measures. If you can see this, like the way I'm clicking here or here, this is discrete, this is continuous. Okay, and this is again dual lines. So just for a timing I can show you all labels. See the lines, it has been separated. So 2014 year, 13, 12 and 11, so it has sorted out according to its year. So if I take this, then again the colors might change, so it is executing the query. See, can you see this? So currently I don't want all these things, so I'm going to teach you all three types. First we are going to see what is date, as we're going to see the continuous and discrete method. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll double click on the sales. Okay, so I've exploited it, and then I will double click on the order date. Okay, so can you see this? This is an order date and this is your sales. So detail line, I'm going to put it as the sales onto your detail line, so that I find out what is the sale exactly happening. Okay, and then I am going to order the date. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is order sales order date wise. Okay, so see, if you 2014 and it is going to be order date. Okay, so now I am going to drag the categories to the colors section, so I will understand what is happening here. Okay, now instead of automatic, let me go to line. So see, can you see the automatic, the categories have been shown here. Okay, so that is, and then I will put this order date to label so that I get more precise answer. There it is, 2014, 2013. When was the sale highest in technology? In 2014. Okay, then I may also drag the sales to label part. Okay, instead of this, let me go and see, show you this. Okay, so this is also can be seen in clear vision. If I just, yeah, see, technology 2014, what was the sales? Okay, so this is the first type. Now let's see the second type. In second, we are going to do the line chart on based on market. So let me do market to the colors. Okay, okay, so market to the, we have colors. Now we'll see the continuous. So again, sales order date. Okay, Okay, automatic it is saying, so I want line. Okay, now what will I do? I'll change this to months. See, I can change it to months as well. Can you see this? This is continuous. Okay, this is called as continuous. Okay, now I will do what? I will put sales on label so that I can see the sales onto the though it is very difficult to read it, but to understand that the sales is into the label, so I will understand what was the peak sales here, who did it. The market APAC did it 39, then there was again APAC in 2014. So who is APAC is doing very good sales. Then you see of EU, right? So this is the market. Okay, now what I may do, I may just drag my order date as well as onto the label section, so I'll get the dates also. See, the moment I put it as date, it becomes discontinuous, right? So order date. Labels you can also select with your here you can also select the min and max. So just put min and max. Okay, so this also can be done. So you can also specify your minimum and maximum. Okay, so this is was about your section where it was continuous. Okay, now continuous versus your discontinuous. Like again I am going to take the third thing. Same, I'll do what? Sales, double click, order date, double click, and your measures are continuous. If you see, the measures are continuous, so we are going to see the measures are continuous and dimensions are discrete. Okay, so this is how you can identify your continuous and discontinuous. Okay, so here I have shown you what is a line chart. Okay, so we meet again with the next diagram, that is called as pie chart, in the next coming